today's game, and it was Isaac Afo who played by Nations. So they are bent to pick up maximum points. Two captains. Kwame Kwa whistles. That's the commencement of the game here at the Fortress. Here is Danso, first touch for yesterday's two-goal hero, and he wins the... Boris with a drive, and Jaffet Navyonyo. Samartex, the former Nations FC goalkeeper, trying to keep it clean against his former team. That was some good footwork by the Ivorian, but this shot is not beating Jap. Samuel Tete delivers. Kofi Mensah fails to deal with it. It's cleared away by Danso. Well delivered by Tete. He failed to deal with it, but he seemed to have made contact with Epson, resulting in him going down, but he's better now. Here is Boris, goes past Jabin. It is still Boris, lovely footwork. Jaffet Navyonyo makes a good save. He should be scoring this goal. Here is Barry Maba, tries to find Boris. Lovely turn from Boris, but good defending from Kofi Agbesima. Gripman kills the ball to Danso. He's got Barry Maba behind him. He hangs on. Referee plays the advantage. Barry shoots. It takes the deflection of Boris, and it's a goal kick. That's the whistle to wrap up the first half here at the Nsenkyire Stadium. A very keenly contested first half. It produced no goals, but it produced some really beautiful tactical football from the two teams. The league champions have failed to score. The team that beat them in the Premier League last season. It's half-time at the Nsenkyire Stadium. Match day 2, second game of the 2024 Nsenkyire Cup, live on Max TV, live on Green Gold TV. Kwame Boache comes in to replace Abrakwa at left back for Nate. Returned by Tete. Barry Mabas trying to look for Boris. Here comes Boris. Good skill from Boris, but the final product not good enough. Poor header from Edusiao, and Chipsa kick. Lovely skill from Boris to go past Agbesima. The cross was not good, but luckily for Chipsa, the header from Jabin ended up with last season under the recommendations of Kasim Mengo, who coached him at Bechem United. That's the header from Gripman. He's good in aerial balls. He nearly found the back of the net. Good delivery from Abdul Karim. Look at Gripman arriving, but you are thinking the marking should have been better. Good. Simpson, he goes in with a powerful drive onto the woodwork. Samartex left off the hook. What a powerful drive from Simpson. It could have, that's the replay. Great technique, and that's good goalkeeping from Jaffet Navyonyo. Powerful drive. Kwam Boache with a long throw, flicked on by Boris. Handball, penalty for Nations by Aqua. And Karim makes it 1-0 for Nations. Nations FC have gone up from the spot kick. Goalkeeper saw the direction. Well taken. The power was good. The elevation was good enough with some smiles on their faces. Corner taken. Now Tete sends in a cross. And Baba Musa's header goes over the bar for Samartex. Well delivered. It eluded the nation's defenders. Then it got to Samuel Tete. It's a decent delivery from Tete. Baba Musa is not connecting the right way. Chance for Baba Musa to equalize. And Baba Musa equalizes for Samartex. The boy wonder, Baba Musa Amando has equalized for the Timber Giants, and Samartex are back in business. It's Nations 1, Samartex 1. The substitution by Coach Nuruddin Amadou has Tex drop parity. Came on now. Mama beats Simpson in the air, and Baba Musa. Good play from Mama. Here's Solomon Ajay. He sends it across. Mama's header. Good save by Kofi Mensah. Brilliant save by the goalkeeper. Wonderful delivery by Solomon Ajay. And look at the glancing header. And a magnificent save from the goalkeeper in the corner. Moses Opoku. This can be dangerous, but Duffet will not be beaten by that attempt. That's clever thinking from Odro. Goalkeeper very lucky he had to grab this one. Jabbing to Tete. Tete swings it across. It can be dangerous, and the goalkeeper gets it away. That was tricky. What was he scoring? Very, very tricky ball from Samuel Tete. He had to respect jabbing. Furthermore by Opoku. Now here is Baba Musa. He's up against Gripman. Good play from Baba Musa. And he took it in a rush and it's gone out for a goal. He showed great desire to go past Gripman. Sheer pace, and the final effort not good enough. 2024 Nsenkyire Cup. Samartex will be up against Legon Cities, and Nations will be up against Nswatraman. Here is Adabo. He's put in a very good performance in the second half. Xiao sends a cross. That's a good header away by at this point, it's obvious that Nations are satisfied going with a draw from this game. Here is Danso for Nations. Aqua beating to the ball, but Danso steps up. Here is Prince Aqua. Now Richard Danso up against Xiao. Xiao has given Danso a tough time, and I think Danso has equally given Xiao a very tough time. Odro mysteriously cannot even effect the throw-in. That's the final whistle. Samartex and Nations have produced no winner. 2 goals in a highly competitive contest between the league champions and Nations FC. Brilliant game by all standards. It's fair to say this is the best game of the competition so far. It's really lived up to it. The 2 teams that won their games yesterday have drawn today. It's full time here at the Nsenkyire Stadium. Match day 2, second game of the 2024 Nsenkyire Cup, being played in honor of the Chief Executive Officer of Samartex, Richard Dua Nsenkyire. It's over, full time.